Are we doing something different besides chewing tobaccos or storms or whatnot? I've been crafting these for 1 or 2 years ago. It's called law enforcement cuffs. And all of them are almost close identical, almost, but besides some of them, like the asp has 2 keys on both sides. And the rest have 1 key on one side. Demonstration.
Yeah, alright. We're going to start with the big ones first, and then we're going to go throughout until we get to the thumb cuffs. So we're going to start with the leg, and then we're going to go throughout until the thumb cuffs. So, you want to try them out?
I'm going to try one pair out.
Alright. And then you can put them on me if you want. Alright. Let's put them on. Here. Get your feet on. Are you almost done?
Yeah.
Alright. So, okay. Demonstration.
I gotta have the keys.
Here, come here. Come here. Do over here.
What do we do over here?
No, over here. Let's do over here. Okay, fine.
Be okay.
Alright. Let's do it over here. Does that hurt? Alright.
I should have let the fuck out of the way.
What'd you say?
No, I'm sorry, we beat that out. That's what my mouth
You try walking around in them?
I have before.
Yeah.
That hurts.
This is what they look like in, or on legs. I meant not in, on legs. Yeah.
Pink ones,
Pink ones, same thing,
same thing. I probably
but it's a little, yeah, I put, same thing. Same thing. Same with that one too. They're all three of them are leg cuffs.
And
Just one's a different color.
yeah, they're just different colors. They do suspects if somebody's trying to, like him, if he's trying to run from me, if was it law enforcement, this will stop him. If it doesn't stop him,
You're
always
looking at.
can put cuff. That's why I always have these for, just in case you can hog tie 'em.
So, alright, you can take them off if you
That's
want.
fine. I can have them on.
Alright. Alright, that's the same thing here. You want to put that one on too?
I'm gonna try.
Alright.
This one might have to help me because I can't see the fucking pole.
Shh. Don't say no swearing. No swearing. Because then we can't get money and stuff later on when we have like 1,000 subscribers.
We always can.
Yeah.
These are the exact same.
Alright. Yeah.
These are a little bit bigger than these.
Alright. So let me put these on and then I'll take them off.
These are cuffs. Just they're a little bit longer. They are usually what do you do with that cuff key?
And this is a review, by the way. And size comparison too. Just going around in a row.
These are cuffs. They just
You got the handcuff key. Just in case.
those are just like force.
Alright.
You cordon?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Oops.
I can get out of them.
Alright.
These are a little bit bigger because of like for big boys with bigger wrists.
Yeah.
Those are
Yeah. All right, to the high security ones. High security. I tried getting out of these a while ago, maybe a couple weeks ago, and that it makes marks. And if you try to break out of them, and if you even break out of them before, you'll break your wrist. How does it feel?
I can get all of them.
Awesome. Yeah, those are easy to get out.
Not when you have other way.
Yeah, other way it's impossible.
He has it this way.
I had it. Yeah, I had it the other way, and that took forever. Maybe an hour and a half. Oops.
They're
High high security.
Yep. And
Has a metal brick here. You can double lock it that way.
nope, not double lock it.
Oh, yeah,
Folds them.
that's cool.
And then these.
Makes a nice maraca, yeah. All right, on to the yellow ones. Yeah, get out of those.
These off.
Okay.
They hurt my fucking wrist now.
Yeah, might as well.
We got a lot of editing to do yet.
Mhm.
How long is Bannerly?
6 minutes and 30 seconds.
Oh, well. You know, the longer the video, the more.
Views, yeah. This video is gonna take forever, guys. Just saying, maybe like 10 to 15 minutes long. But anyway, might as well just edit some of it out if you want. He's getting that off right now.
These how you get them off.
Yeah.
I can show them get them off too.
Mhm. Here. Oops.
That one here.
Just put them in the pile over there. That's where we're gonna put them for the rest of the video. What? Oh yeah, you need that one.
No, I can't get that. I can't get to the keyhole.
Oh dear. If I can get it. Oops. There. Oops.
There we go.
Awesome.
I should put them off this way. Then I can get to the keyhole. You put them a long way, it's hard to get off.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, now to the.
Those are just the ones I just had put on those pink ones in those. Those are just op brands.
Mhm.
High security is Hyatt. Those are Purist. I forgot to mention that. Those pink ones are just op brand. I don't know why I bought op brands. Just
All right, now to those ones.
these are asp.
Asp.
But these got double normal. I'm just gonna put one on. Screw it.
Mhm.
Double. But these are different than other ones. You can double lock them with the key.
Yeah.
Then you don't have to use that. These are my favorite. These. Same thing as those. Those hinges works the exact same. I'll deal with that later.
Now to the other ones.
Same one. You could double lock them here. You can double lock them inside the key 2 ways. Same thing as the other side. You can double lock them on. There's four different ways you can double lock them. Same thing as those.
Awesome.
Asp. And then there's another. There's Asp even makes batons too. I'm just letting you guys know.
All right. Next one.
Purist. They don't have those don't have a model. These are 801C. I don't know what the model is on those, but I think that one's 900. Purist. The only thing a little different is double locking is on right there. but most cuffs usually has them on the, like a side here. These are in them smack dab in the middle. That's the only thing what's different. Same thing as these. I got 2 of these, just in case if one fails, I have a second backup. That's why there's 2 of them. And sometimes I might use them. I'm just putting them up there, go too. These Winchesters. These are good ones. They go. I think these are model W400s Winchester cuffs. Let's see what they're made of. Chicago in the U.S. in the United States.
Awesome.
These are Chicago's.
We're at 11 minutes right now. Just saying. Yeah. Who don't care.
Double lock. Same thing. Right there. Is the push pin ones. That's what they call them. Push pin. Double lock. Okay.
Next one.
Yep. I'm not trying every single one of them. That's going to take too long.
Yeah.
Smith & Wesson. They got both locks on both sides, but they don't have the keys on one side. Are you showing them? Each demonstration I've been doing, double lock, do that. It's pretty much what I just did to show you at the beginning. Every single cuff is the exact same way. I like to demonstrate that. These are Smith & Wesson Model 100s. Also makes guns too.
Alright, next one.
This one's the exact same one. I got 2 of them. One I got from a security guard from the federal building. That's why I have 2 of them. You never know what you can come across now these days. If somebody's trying to cut you.
What are you looking at?
No, nothing.
You look this way?
Yeah, I've been looking that way.
Yeah. Just because of your lazy eye and stuff, yeah. Alright, keep on.
Smith & Wesson. Who knows, somebody can get in a fight with you or whatever. Nice to have cuffs. Just in case if a cop can't come sooner, you got yourself some backup. Okay,
Next one.
Pierce. I think 701s. Yep, 700C. Push pin button, but these are chain. Looks like that. I have to go buy freaking tough foil on these. Keys same way, but only thing with those, look at the comparison. The keys right there, the keys right in the snap there in the middle. How long we've been already? 12 minutes already? 13? These Vipertech.
They make tasers too.
They make tasers too. I got
You have a taser. It's in your room right now.
but we're not reviewing.
We're not reviewing tasers. We're reviewing handcuffs.
These are Vipertech. These also make tasers. I don't know what else they make. Those Winchesters, what I just showed you, they make knives too. Same thing, push button, but the only thing with these, it doesn't have matching keys. You have to put them on somebody like this. A key up, down, and down, and that's how you get to the keys quicker.
Yeah.
These are
Darn neighbors. All right, keep going.
same thing as these. These are blue.
I like the color blue for those. Nice color on them.
Double locking on these, but you put somebody on these, they have to be the same way. You double lock there, double lock on the bottom. Or, that's how they do it, I think. Yeah. That's how they do it. These are good. I never had blue ones. I'm seeing if I can find any blue has matching keys like this one and this one. At least the key was down here, and that'd be kind of cool. Same way as the other ones. Push pen.
Next one.
Black. Same one, but different color. These